Welcome to Nona Care, a place for mothers who are raising babies, staying awake through long nights, and quietly trying their best even when they feel exhausted. This channel is where we share honest stories about motherhood, postpartum struggles, and the emotions that many moms don't always talk about openly. If you're also going through long and tiring nights, don't forget to subscribe and let Nona Care be part of your journey. Before becoming a mum, I thought waking up at night would simply mean being tired from lack of sleep. I believed that if I just pushed through for a few months, everything would eventually get easier. But no one truly told me that sitting alone pumping at night could affect me emotionally this much. During the day, I try to stay busy, taking care of the baby, cleaning, doing chores. Everything moves so fast that I barely have time to think. But at night, when the entire house becomes quiet and everyone else is asleep, I begin to feel the loneliness and exhaustion much more deeply. There were nights when I sat quietly under dim lights, listening to the steady sound of the pump in a dark room. And strangely, those silent moments made me more emotional than anything else. I started overthinking everything. Am I doing enough? Am I strong enough to keep going? There were moments when I felt like crying simply because I was so exhausted, but I still kept going because I knew my baby needed me. The hardest part was how invisible it all felt. No one sees the sleepless nights. No one fully understands what it feels like to force yourself to stay awake when your body has completely run out of energy. But over time, I realized those emotions didn't mean I was weak. They simply showed how demanding and emotionally heavy motherhood can really be. And honestly, there are probably so many mothers out there feeling exactly the same way, quietly trying their best every single day, even when they are emotionally drained. So if you've ever felt this way during nighttime pumping, please remember that you are not alone. Sometimes, simply making it through one more day is already an incredible act of strength. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Nona Care, and share your story in the comments so we can support each other through this motherhood journey together.